Hazur, this question is based on verse number 7 to 10 of Surah Al-Qari'ah, which is chapter number 100 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فَأَمَّا مَنْ ثَقُلَتْ مَوَازِينُهُ فَهُوَ فِي عِيشَةٍ رَاضِيَةٍ وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَفَّتْ مَوَازِينُهُ فَأُمُّهُ هَاوِيَةٌ. Translation given here is, then as for him whose scales are heavy, he will have a pleasant life. But as for him whose scales are light, hell will be his nursing mother.
Hazur, my question is, why is hell being compared with the term nursing mother, as this term usually gives the impression of someone being kind and loving?
So she is asking that when it is mentioned about the people in hell, why the word has been used, which is generally used for affection and love. Ummohu Haviya.
Ummohu?
Yes.
Mother.
Mother, yes.
In fact, mothers, according to Rasulullah Sallam, should be a source of blessing for their children, and Jannah is found under their feet. But some mothers, unfortunately, are on the contrary, source of hell for their children. So this is why the word Ummu is used here. So they are given birth by unfortunate mothers who lead their children to hell. And although you expect kindness from mother, hell will not be kind to them. So this is a phrase, in fact, which may have been used as a taunt to these people. But the more important thing about this verse is that it is applicable both to this world and the world to come. In this world, those who have heavier weapons, like atomic weapons and tanks, ships, etc., they will create a hell for the others, and they will live a life of luxury in this world. Like all the powerful states of the West, America, Europe, etc., they are much heavier in scales as far as their weaponry is concerned. So they are living a life of luxury. And those who do not have these things, they are living a life of hell. And Ummohu Haviya applies to them as well. So these chapters of the final last chapters of the surah of Al-Quran have both the meaning of applicable to this world and to the next world. You understand this? Another very interesting explanation is that the same advanced nations are looked at by the weak nations as their mothers. You see, they seek every financial help from them, every material help from them, and they think that they are their patrons and they are taking care of them, they give them loans, etc. But it is like a Haviya being the mother. They are a hellish mother, and they don't care for their children.